think I don't think I corn harvesting some corn.
Usam din na. Ha?
Daghan pa ba din na, di pa kuha na ako na intention nga wa.
Looks like the motorbike won't start over there. They got a corn harvest over here.
May tagtug makadagan
They got a corn harvest and then
ulang sa gabi to katakdo. Dada na ko ang motor ulang gabi.
putting all their dirt to the side.
Ako lang di makadagan pud itulog.
Dili kay barkada man kay niya nang naang. Komo ka dira dito.
Kaya ipadapli.
Yeah, with the rain, all this dirt was falling this way. That's what it looks like. This is the dirt we were using for the hollow block. It looks like they're moving it over there to the side. Oh, anyway. The rooster over here trying to eat the corn. Oh yeah, they gonna tear this shit up. Chicken's gonna tear up the corn harvest right now. The chicken was like, hell no, I'm getting out of here real quick. See what's going on. It's a big motorbike right there. Huh? Can't hear you. My wife told me to give him 4 sticks of sugar when he was done. Let's go see what they got. This is my mother-in-law selling oil, vinegar, and other stuff on the side of the road. We got some okra. I forgot what this is called right here. Eggplant and other stuff. And then this guy over here, he sells fish from his motorbike.